Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine pie. This unique dessert offers a delightful blend of sweet and savory notes, perfect for any occasion. We'll guide you through each step, from preparing a perfectly flaky crust to crafting a rich, aromatic wine filling. You'll learn to combine simple ingredients to create a truly memorable treat that will impress your friends and family. Get ready to bake something truly special. A fantastic wine pie begins with an exceptional crust. Start by combining 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 cup of very cold, cubed unsalted butter. Work quickly to cut the butter into the flour until it resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add about 1/2 cup of ice water, just enough to bring the dough together. Remember to chill your dough for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for a tender, flaky result. Now let's create the star of our pie, the rich wine filling. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of your favorite red wine, such as Merlot or Cabernet Sauvignon, with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and a pinch of warming spices like cinnamon and cloves. Simmer gently until the sugar dissolves. Thicken this aromatic mixture with a slurry of 2 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with cold water. Stir in about 1/4 cup of dried fruits for added texture and sweetness. With your crust and filling ready, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Carefully pour the cooled wine filling into your prepared bottom pie crust. You can choose to top it with a beautiful lattice crust or a full top crust, remembering to cut a few vent holes for steam to escape. Bake your wine pie in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 45 to 50 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.